Hi, this is Corey with Woods. Today I want to show you how to flip up a Woods MX deck on the FZ family of zero-turn mowers. First, flip up the foot platform. Second, turn the ignition key to the run position. And third, use the toggle on the console to tilt the deck up using the patented PowerTilt feature. Once you get the deck in the raised position, you can perform all your necessary service, like washing the bottom of the deck, scraping off accumulated material, or replacing or sharpening blades. With the deck in the up position like this, the overall length of the machine is shortened. Makes a nice feature for storage. Once you're done, you want to put the mower deck down. Just simply go in the reverse order. Use the toggle switch to lower the deck. Put your foot platform back down. When you reach the bottom, you want to use the cut height indicator to go back to your pre-selected cut height. And when you're all done, remember to turn off your ignition so you can save your mower battery. For more on our products, go to woodsequipment.com or call us at 1-800-31-WOODS.